too early. So this is a day in my life, starting off with a run. Early ass run. It is really early for this, but I'm gonna try to get it done. 2 miles, 1 mile there and back, 2 miles in total. Let's get it. Quick morning run. Hopefully it's good. I'm doing this for vlog purposes, but I'm not walking back now, I'm walking back later, but like after it. You guys are gonna tell the difference, okay? You guys are gonna be able to, I promise. I'm dying. And now back. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Done with the run. And now we get to the next part of our day. I met this nice lady right before I got in the car. Her name was Joanne. She said I looked just like her son, and he modeled, which is crazy because I'm trying to model. So so that was nice. She was a very sweet woman. She gave me a little inspiration. Why are you guys still here? We were supposed to cut to the dude. I thought I wasn't gonna have to drive there. We were just gonna cut there. Come on. What other way? Come on. Flick it harder. There you go. Wait. Yeah. Just imagine being the passenger. Just passenger princess for me real quick. We need to go. We need to go. This guy in the car behind me just saw me do that. We're stopping up in air first. Gonna get a drink. I'll be quick, okay guys? You won't wait for that long. Yes! I think there's a in my throat. Alright, so one thing you guys might not know about me is I actually ride scooters. We're gonna catch a quick sesh early in the morning. We're at the skate park and I'll show you a little bit, but we're not gonna do too much, and I'll just give you a sense of what I do. So I'm gonna get padded up. We're gonna go have a sesh here, and this park actually got built yesterday, so it's really exciting. Today. It literally spawned in. No, they've been building it. It got finished yesterday, and we're gonna go have a sesh. I rode it for a little bit yesterday, but we're gonna get a sesh today. It is slippery though. I might eat crap. Don't wish for it. I'm hoping I don't. I got no knee pads on, but let's get to it. This is exactly what we did not want to happen. We're gonna get a little sesh in the half pipe as well. We won't eat that much crap here. We might eat a little bit. We're gonna get it on this quarter.
I read about did you say want to a 10-year-old with Down syndrome?
Just so we get all aspects of the park when I hit rail. I love it. So there is the new skate park. This is kind of what I do. Most days I try to get out here, ride, practice a little bit, keep up with clips and everything, and then we're going to head on to the next part of my day. So I'll see you there. So we finished the sesh up. Now we're here, Starbucks. I got a vanilla iced latte and a marshmallow bar, of course. I'm a time lapse. We're sitting here and we're gonna read knowledge. Right, so I just got done at Starbucks. We were both reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, and if you want some financial knowledge, definitely read that book. That book is insane. Even 80 pages in, I'm learning so much. This is the first book I've actually wanted to read and am paying attention to. So definitely a good read. I'm probably gonna read it over multiple times, but yeah. All right, so I got a shower. As you could tell, my hair's fluffy right now. Made TikToks, did all that. It is 6:15 right now. So I still have daylight and I'm gonna use that to my advantage. I'm gonna go catch another sesh. I'll pick you guys up after. Why do my eyes look so glossy right now? They look like... Wow, that is crazy.
Missing someone